This is a fast tutorial on how to redeem Xbox gift cards and game codes. Click like and comment thanks if this helps you in any way, as any interaction with the video is helpful. There are several ways to redeem the codes. The first way is through the Xbox. When you're at the Xbox dashboard, you'll need to use the left thumbstick or directional buttons to navigate to the Xbox store located in the upper middle section of the screen. It is highlighted in this video by the red circle. Once you're in the store, you'll be able to navigate to the icon in the lower left-hand corner that looks like a present. The name of the icon is Redeem. Here you'll be able to enter your Xbox gift card or game code. After you redeemed your code, you'll be able to go back to the Xbox store and search for a game that you redeemed in order to install it, or search for a game that you would like to purchase. A second method to redeem your code is using a web browser on a PC or mobile device. This can be easier if you don't want to enter in the code using a controller. Personally, I find the controller a little tedious. To do this, open up your web browser either on your phone or PC and go to account.microsoft.com/billing/redeem. The link is in the description of this video. Also, to note, the subscriber button on screen is only hiding my email address. You will most likely need to sign into your Microsoft account. After you're signed into your Microsoft account, click the link again, and it will bring you to the page that you're seeing on screen now, where you'll be able to enter in the gift card code or the game code, and it'll add it to your Microsoft Xbox account. If you found this video useful or helpful in any way, click subscribe, and don't forget to click like and comment thanks.